Hello YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, we're going to attempt to fix a USB lightning cable. If it has a split like this, we're going to attempt to fix it with some black heat shrink tubing. Of course, you're going to need a heat gun, and you're going to need a pair of pliers to stretch out your heat shrink tubing. And of course, I got a bunch of different colors of heat shrinks. But let's get going, and let's find out if we can repair this cable. I'm going to show you how this actually works. I've done it a couple of times with own cables too, but let's go. The tools you're going to need, of course, your heat gun, and a pair of pliers to stretch the heat shrink tubing like this. Just need to stretch it a little bit. Be very careful, it might break on you. Well, let's go ahead and slip this over the lightning cable like this. Just like that. And take your heat gun. Sorry, it's going to be a little noisy. And just gently shrink it. Not too close to the cable, you don't want to burn it. Yep. Well, there you go. You fixed your cable. This is the stock size. I'm going to show you how to stretch them out very easily to fit over the lightning cable. All you just do is just take pair of pliers and just give it a quick tug. Very easy to do, actually. Just do it on both sides. We want to try to keep the cable from breaking, but you know how cables are. You do break over time. And this is just how I do it. And this will slip right over the wire, like this. And I'm going to go ahead and add it to the USB port as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and shrink it. I want to cover this whole thing before we don't even have any more fractures. That's just how I'm doing it. I'm going to finish stretching this and I will come right back. Do the exact same thing on the on side of your USB cable. Just go ahead and slide it on, stretch it out. And of course, take your heat gun, heat it up. Gotta move it back and forth when you don't melt the cable. Just give it some legitimacy here, I guess. Now, that's how you fix your USB cable on both sides. And I just gave it a little extra strength. And of course I might go over and put a second layer of heat shrink on it, just to get it more rigid. One thing you want to be careful is you don't want to melt your plastic or your rubber. Be careful, these might get hot when you use your heat gun. And I will show you the finished product. I'm going to put a lot of different colors on it now. Alright, well, there you go, guys and girls. This is one way to fix your worn and broken cables, I decided to put black and gold on it, and it gives it a neat cuddle look as well. What happens is the cables break very easily when you bend them back and forth, but the heat shrink should give it more of a stronger lifespan. Now, of course, these cables can be quite expensive. They can be like $30. You can go down to your local electronics store to find the heat gun and also a heat shrink as well. But I hope this would last my sister for a while before she has to go out and buy an Allen cable. But there you go. Just showing you what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty good. Alright, if you guys have been enjoying this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. This is how you can fix your own cables without spending too much money on these lightning cables.